Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at Sfogliate, and I know I messed it up. She gave me the business card, and I've read it like 5 times, but I don't say it right. But I'm gonna take you inside and show you. And it's a pretty popular little place. There was a line here when I got here, so they serve sweet pastries, and so I'll take you inside and show you around. Bye bye. Okay, so this is the advertisement on the outside. And this is the name of the place, Sfogliate. And the thing that attracted me to this was that you can buy happiness here. So I'm here for happiness. And they have all sorts of different things. So ricotta cheese, frolla, and then almonds and hazelnut, it looks like. And then all sorts of stuff. But let me go show you what we got here. Hello.
Welcome.
Well, thank you. And so this one's the ricotta cheese.
Yes.
And then these are the almonds.
Almond and the nuts, semolina and orange creams.
And orange cream.
Soft.
So these are like regular pastries.
Yes, frolla.
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 Frolla. I don't know frolla, but okay. Like dough.
Soft pastry.
Soft pastry. Okay, and this is like a fila dough.
Pasta sfoglia.
Pasta foglia.
Sfoglia.
Okay. Well, I'll take one of these.
Okay.
I'll take one of those. And how do you say the name of the place?
Sfogliate e sfogliatelle.
Okay, what's your name?
Rosella.
Rosella. Thank you.
Thank you too.
And I'll take one of those. I guess I better dig out some money, huh? You gotta have money. Here you go. Ugh. You can grab that 5.
Okay.
I know.
2.50.
Is there enough? There you go. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. And I'll go try one of these. Oh, you can throw that away. Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Okay, so let's go over to that little table. And I love this advertisement. So we're gonna go right here by my friend Becky here. Becky Boobies. Oh, sorry, is that inappropriate? Okay, so here's what we got. Let's try this here. It's almost like caramel. Wow. It is very sweet. It is very good. Like cinnamon and wow. Okay, everybody. This is a hit. I'm like the news. I'm gonna tongue out some of that middle stuff. Wow. Yeah, that's very good. Very good. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Come to this place. And it's right on Christmas Street. Sfogliate. Bye.